Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tuesday. And this Tuesday is going to be my fall tour. I'm just going to show you the rooms that I have completed. I'm pretty much done. I don't do as an elaborate job in fall decorating as I will do for Christmas, but I did want to make sure that most of the rooms had a little bit of taste of fall. Now, if we had a little taste of fall, it would be all right. Anyway and anyhow, I'm going to take you on a tour. I'm just going to use some background music, and if I can get the music soft enough, I'm not so great with editing that, but if I can, I will do a voiceover to explain what it is you're seeing. However, it's probably pretty self-evident what it is you're looking at. Now, a lot of the projects we made together, some this year and some last year. And instead of trying to link each and every one of those videos, if you're interested in seeing any of the projects being made, I'm going to create a fall decorating playlist. And I should have that completed by the end of the week. And I will let you know probably on the community tab or on Friday's video whether or not that has been completed. And if so, and you can check out the playlist and pick out whatever videos you might have interest in. So let me take you on a little tour for fall, and make sure before you take the tour you press that subscribe button and the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we have a video go up. And I don't have my glasses on today by choice, by the way, because I'm facing a window and the glare would be so that you'd see nothing but window in my glasses. So anyway and anyhow, I'm ready for a tour. Let's climb aboard. See you in a bit.